Oh! That's true. Yeah, yum. What? Ooh, that's good.
Look at sunset outside.
Ooh, look at the color of the sunset.
Can I go outside and play?
Sure, baby. Okay. You can keep the whipping cream out.
Thanks for backing me up.
Well, we don't.
I love
Freaked out that talk about my trash on the ground. And then I guess you could always what?
Yeah.
It's like the
Here you go, honey. Is that
the
enough?
actress in
It is what it is. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. Oh no, look at Dawson. It keeps raining. Alexa, stop. Our stools got cleaned and the carpet or the rugs. Yeah. Have you ever had my spicy vodka pasta?
Last time? Remember how fucking spicy it was?
I know, sometimes I just make it too spicy. Like less than 10 minutes.
I had a scare with Zoe. I've been using the white noise.
Ford at 800.
Oh, it's true.
For his entire wedding. Here's what it is now.
Hey, baby.
So, since I went lighter and I used top.
Look, but I don't know. But I don't think I have any plans.
Oh my God.